Hi everyone, I'm Kyle Murray, the Web Content Manager for Aware Senior Care. You've probably heard someone at some point in your life say, "I'll sleep on it," regarding an important decision. And the intention behind the phrase is usually, "I'll keep considering my options," but it actually functions literally. Our brains utilize NREM and REM cycles of sleep to sort, refresh, and discard memories. It's a common misconception to think of sleep purely in terms of total hours because of this sleep cycling. If you cut your sleep short, you run the risk of not experiencing more deep sleep. Dr. Matthew Walker, a neurologist who specializes in the study of sleep, has noted that this deep sleep stage is where we reap the biggest benefits of restoring and enhancing our learning ability. The hippocampus functions as your short-term memory inbox, while the cortex serves the storage for your long-term memories. Without adequate sleep, your brain is unable to sort and retain the valuable information you learned during the day by transferring it from the hippocampus to the cortex. Your inbox becomes cluttered with spam, and as Dr. Walker noted in his TED Talk from April 2019, a study demonstrated that the difference between a full night's sleep and trying to pull an all-nighter resulted in a 40% deficit in the brain's ability to make new memories. And Dr. Walker doesn't pull any punches regarding the other health risks associated with sleep deprivation.
So you may have heard of that old maxim that you can sleep when you're dead. Well, I'm being quite serious now. It is mortally unwise advice. We know this from epidemiological studies across millions of individuals. There's a simple truth. The shorter your sleep, the shorter your life.
Yeah. And that's also not even factoring in how getting the deep sleep you need gets more difficult as you age. It's not that we need less sleep as we get older, most people just aren't able to get it. A chronic lack of sleep may actually be a contributing factor to cognitive decline and Alzheimer's. So what can you do? Check the description for an article I wrote last year on improving your sleep habits, and check out Dr. Walker's book, Why We Sleep. I'll include a link to his TED Talk as well. Do your personal inbox a favor and make sure to give it the time it needs to sort things out. You'll be well rested and be able to prioritize the things that truly matter in living well. Thank you for watching, and from all of us here at Aware Senior Care, have a great day.